Hello, welcome back for today's puzzle. Continuing on in the book, looks like today we're working on puzzle 85. Let's see, let's start here with this square. We've got 1, 2, 3, we're missing 4, 7, and 8. We've got a 7 here, so 4, 8, and 8 here, so 4, 7, 4 here, so 7, 8. Let's look at this column here. We're missing 2, 4, and 8. We've got no help here. So 2, 4, 8. We've got a 2 here. So 4, 8. That 2, and then we've got a 4 there. So this is our 8, 4, and 2. If we work on this box then, looks like we're missing a 5 and a 7. We've got a 5 here. So 7, 5. Let's work on this row here. 1, 2, 3. We're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 6 there. So 4 and 6. If we do this box then, 1, 2, 3, we're missing 4, 8, and 9. Got no help here. 4, 8, 9. No help here. 4, 8, 9. We've got a 9 here. So 4, 8. For this box, looks like we're missing 3, 7, and 9. We've got a 7 here. So 3, 9. And a 9 here. So 3, 7. And a 3 here with that 9. So that means this is our 7, 3, 9. And that 9 means we can get rid of this 9. So the only place our 9 can be in this box now is here. And that 7 makes this our 8 and our 4. And that 8 makes this our 4, 7, 8. So if we look at this column now, we're missing 1 and 4. And we don't have any help. So 1, 4, 1, 4. For this column, we've got 1, 2. We're missing 3, 6, and 8. We've got a 3 and an 8 here. So this is our 6. We've got a 3 there. So 8, 3. For this row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're missing 8 and 9. We've got a 9 here. So 8 and 9. For this box, looks like we're missing 1, 2, and 6. So we've got a 1 here and a 6 here. So this is our 2. That 6 makes this our 1 and our 6. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing 6 and 8. We've got an 8 there. So 6, 8. For this column, looks like we're missing 1 and 4. And we don't have any help. So 1, 4, 1, 4. For this column, looks like we're missing a 2, 5, and 7. We've got a 7 here. So 2, 5, 2 and a 5 there. So this is our 7. And a 5 here, so this is our 2, and that makes this our 5. For this row, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 7 here. So 4, 7. For this box, then, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 1 here. So 2 and 1. To finish out this column, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing a 4. That 4 makes this our 1, 4, 1, 4. For this row, looks like we're missing a 2. For this row, looks like we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 1 here, so 9 and 1. To finish out this box, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 6 and 7. All right, that was today's puzzle. Thank you for joining me. We will be back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.